Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Foodie Recipes, and today we are going to be making the frothy Dalgona coffee. Yes, because it's trending. So let's begin. But do make sure to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this. Now without any further ado, let's get into the video. तो सबसे पहले लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. सो हमने लिया है 1 tablespoon ऑफ instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of sugar, again 1 tablespoon of water and 1 cup of milk. Ice cubes are completely optional, but yeah, I have taken some ice cubes as well. So now we have to combine our ingredients. So we have taken a bowl जिसमें हम मिक्स करेंगे water, sugar and instant coffee को. So add them all into the bowl and give them a good mix. Mix करते रहो करते रहो करते रहो. It's gonna take a long while. So yes, इतना ही टाइम बीत गया मुझे लग रहा है. So I definitely recommend कि you use a hand blender or a whisk. मेरी तरह स्पून से बिल्कुल मत करना वरना लिटरली एटर्निटीज़ ही बीत जाएंगी. Okay, so now when it's done, it look like this in consistency and color. So now we will add them in our cup of milk. But first I'm adding some ice cubes. जिसके ऊपर से I'm going to top it up with that coffee mixture. So add that coffee mixture like so and look at the texture. It's so creamy, it's so frothy. Honestly 10 by 10. मैंने तो ये इसलिए ट्राई करी थी because of this texture only, to be honest. This is so insta worthy, isn't it? So yeah, ये पूरा आप ग्लास के ऊपर like add the mixture. But we will not drink it like this because ये बहुत concentrated है ऊपर, so we have to mix it. Okay, so yeah, it looks something like this, जिसमें I am going to be adding some grated chocolate on the top too, just because I like it, but it's completely optional, so you can skip it altogether. Okay, so at this point I'm also taking pictures for my thumbnail now, so I'll be back after doing exactly that. So now we have to mix it all in together so that we can actually have it and not just take pictures of it. So yeah, mix it like so. बस अच्छे से mix कर लो so that you can like drink it. And yeah, it's gonna be done in few seconds. मेरा mix हो गया है and that's it for today guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then like this video and leave a comment down below if you are going to be making it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you for watching.